Hello and welcome to your Monday Assembly, and more importantly, welcome back to school. We are so excited to have you back in with us. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about mental health and well-being. So we know that it's so important for you to be able to take time out for yourself and to look after yourself. I'm going to show you a short video clip and it is called The Monkey Business Illusion. I want you to pay attention to it and we'll talk about it further afterwards.
The monkey business illusion. Count how many times the players wearing white pass the ball. The correct answer is 16 passes. Did you spot the gorilla? For people who haven't seen or heard about a video like this before, about half missed the gorilla. If you knew about the gorilla, you probably saw it. But did you notice the curtain changing color or the player on the black team leaving the game? Let's rewind and watch it again. Here comes the gorilla, and there goes a player, and the curtain is changing from red to gold. When you're looking for a gorilla, you often miss other unexpected events. And that's the monkey business illusion.
Did any of you spot the gorilla? Well, I did. I was one of those ones that did, but I definitely didn't notice the changing of the curtains or the losing of one of the players. And I think part of this is because we don't really stop and think about what's going on in the moment. We're so worried about what else is going on and what we're supposed to be looking for, rather than really paying attention and concentrating on one thing at a time. And with that in mind, I'd like to show you another short video clip, and this is to encourage meditation. And actually, this one is called a body scan meditation. It just makes you think about your body, it makes you relax, and it makes you live in the moment. So here goes. Good luck.
Butterfly body scan. Sit or lie down and get comfortable. If you decided to sit, try sitting with your back straight and your body relaxed, resting your hands on your knees. If you're lying down, lie on your back with your legs flat on the floor or the bed and your arms by your sides. Try closing your eyes, but if that's not comfortable, you can open them at any time. Now think of a butterfly and picture it in your mind. What does it look like? Is it light as a feather? Is it heavy? It can look exactly like you want it to. Mine always seems to have blue and purple wings. Do you have a picture of a butterfly in your mind? If you need more time, or if you want to share what your butterfly looks like to a friend or grown-up, just press pause. And don't forget to press play when you're ready. Let's pretend that your butterfly has special powers, because it helps you relax different parts of your body just by landing on them. Let's give it a try. Imagine that the butterfly is flying nearby and it lands on your forehead, and when it does, your forehead feels warm and your muscles relax. Imagine the butterfly floats off to one shoulder, and as it rests there, your shoulder starts to feel pleasant and warm, and it relaxes. And now to the other shoulder. As the butterfly lands there, what's happening? Does your shoulder feel warm and pleasant? And does it feel relaxed? Are you ready for the butterfly to move? Imagine that the butterfly floats off your shoulder and lands on your belly. And as it rests there, lightly moving its wings, your belly relaxes. And as you continue on your own, imagine the butterfly floating through the air as it finds its way to your knee, or maybe even one of your toes. You can imagine the butterfly landing anywhere you like, and wherever it lands, that part of your body feels warm, comfortable, and completely relaxed. For a few moments, relax with your butterfly and feel the steady rhythm of your breathing as you breathe in and out. You can put your hand on your tummy or over your heart if you like, and feel the movement of your breathing. Now open your eyes and feel your body on your seat or against the floor. And if you're lying down, sit up slowly and stretch. Reach your hands high up to the sky and take a big breath in. And then lower your hands to your knees as you breathe out. Well done. If you'd like, you can name